Hey everybody, Geoff Hyland here with the Hyland Group at eXp Realty in Prescott, Arizona. I want to give you your December 2024 market update. This will be the last update of the calendar year. And I also just want to take this opportunity and once again say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of you out there. And thanks for watching this video that we send out every month. I hope it's providing value to you. So let's dive right into it. November, what we did see is an increase of pending sales by nearly 25% compared to November of 2023. So for all of you out there wondering what the buyer sentiment is now a good time to buy? By the numbers, we had a 25% increase, and that's a really positive sign. What could be contributing to that? Part of it is that we rolled into December with interest rates being at about 6.88%. And that is a little over 1 full percentage point lower than our interest rates were about a year ago. So since then, it's now, we're a couple days into December. We've seen the rates come down as low as 6.6, settled back in today around 6.7%. So some relief in the interest rate market. And after the election, I think everybody can agree that we were just ready for the election to be over. After the election, we've seen a marked increase, not only in pending sales, but also in just showing activity in general, buyer inquiries, inbound calls, all across the board. The phones are ringing and people are asking about real estate. So I think everybody's ready to get back into, normal life, put the election behind us, and we're moving forward. When you look at the demand relative to the supply, we've got a 4.7 month supply. So I can't remember when we've had an inventory that was over 6 months. 6 months obviously is kind of that balanced market that we always talk about. So still slightly undersupplied. Now that being said, values in the month of November did come down slightly. So MLS wide, a little bit over 0.5%, not much. Prescott did see a little bit of change, 3.8% down. Prescott Valley was about 2% down, and Chino Valley stayed fairly level. So increased buyer activity, values did falter just a little bit in most of the municipalities. Days on market, we're sitting at 72 for the overall MLS for the homes that have sold. Prescott's right there at 60 days, and inventory of the 930 homes. So we've got 930 site-built single-family homes on the market today. So we've been watching that trend, waiting for it to start reversing. We saw the first glimpse of that last month. Now we've dropped another 70 listings or so. So we're in the low 900 range as far as inventory is concerned. If you're a seller and you're thinking about putting your home on the market, it might be a good idea to get ahead of that conversation, because if the rates do come down, a couple things might happen into the new year. Number one, we could see more sellers begin to put their home on the market, which happens seasonally as well. But the other thing that's going to do is if the interest rates come down, then we're going to get a bunch of buyers coming in and ready to go. So if you have any questions, if you're a buyer wondering is now a good time, if you're a seller wondering if now is a good time, we field those questions every single day. Happy to have that conversation with you. And as far as the active inventory is concerned, right now, the active inventory, those 930 properties, are listed at about 14% over the average sales price per square foot, and they've been on the market for over 127 days. So again, that's just a direct correlation to maybe a little optimistic on pricing. So if you have questions about any of the things that we've talked about today, please reach out. And once again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from everybody here at the Hyland Group.